When little things go wrong around the house, how do you know when it's time to call the handyman? So I'm here today with Bill Cohn from Mr. Handyman, where we're actually at a homeowner's house because there are some jobs going on as we speak. Why don't we talk about how Bill, the homeowner, knew that it was time to call?
Well, first of all, he saw us on Approved Home Pros and saw what kind of work we do, thought we were a reputable company, and felt like he could trust us having us in his home, and that we would do a good job for him. So he's got a list of about 5 or 6 things that we're just kind of building up over time. They're all relatively small, easy to take care of things, so probably was not efficient to just bring us out for one thing at a time. So he bundled his work together, and within a few hours we're going to be able to knock out this laundry list of things that have been probably gnawing on him and his wife for a period of time.
Is that something that you recommend our homeowners do, looking at the size of the different projects that are going on in your house and bundling those smaller ones together?
Certainly. That's really, I think, the best way to use us. People have single projects that they really need to get taken care of at that time, so call us for that. But also call us for the smaller jobs, as everybody in their house has. I've got 100 things probably that need to be done in my house, and you just knock those off a few hours at a time, or a day of work, a half day of work is a great way to use us. We can get a lot of work done in that short period of time.
And it's really cost effective, so it's a great savings for the homeowner to kind of bundle them together instead of the one-off for every small project. What are some great examples of what they're doing today at this house that would fall under these small project ranges?
So today we had a couple of doors that were hard to open, sticking. We had a baseboard along an island that had been kicked out and needed to be reattached. We had some holes from blinds that had been changed out, and we just patched those holes. We're going to paint and retexture those. Had a little water leak that needed a wall patch, and we're recaulking a couple of tubs. Knock out all those things in what we estimated to be about 4 hours worth of work.
4 hours, the perfect transition into the incredible offer that Mr. Handyman has for you right now. If you have a job of 4 hours, you will get $50 off of that service. So Go ahead and find Mr. Handyman at ApprovedHomePros.com.